Hello again, guys. It's Stefan from the Hypermanic Entrepreneur. Today, I just want to talk a bit about continual improvement, how important constantly improving, adapting, revising is, especially when you're in entrepreneurship, but also in life in general. I've found that it's such interesting. To see the results, the accumulated results in retrospect, where when you do this as well, when you focus on continuous learning, when you focus on adapting, adjusting, and you kind of learn to have a bit of fun with it all, fun with the journey that is not just about uh, just about going through the pain for the results in the end, but also finding ways to actually enjoy the journey. You're finding those little steps. You're finding little steps forward that's taking you in the right direction. That makes you better today than you are yesterday. That will make you better tomorrow than you are today. And it's those incremental steps that will get you to where you want to go in the end. So, so yeah, I've kind of already delved delved quite into the topic already, but yeah, I find it to be um, an absolutely necessary kind of perspective and attitude you have towards life to get forward. It will be very tough for you if you always just look for the major step. You always have to do 100 times more today than yesterday. But if you always find those little things you can do better, always try to find those things to tweak, adjust, and do a little bit better, then over time that will accumulate and show results in the end. At least if you have that kind of attitude, you stay consistent, you keep at it and continue, and then you learn to have fun and enjoy the process on the way, and you learn so much from it as well. There's and it's it's much easier and more natural to learn that way than to just force yourself to sit with something that you don't really enjoy or are interested in, but you actually find some use of. You find some use of it. You have some goals, ambitions, and you want to reach those goals, but you know that you're not going to get there overnight. If it's a major goal, then you have to establish the prerequisites in order to get there. So you take one step at a time. You take those steps towards the right direction. So, and with each of those small steps, with each of those small improvements, you prepare yourself for when it's time to make the big leaps, time to make the big steps. And the better prepared you are through those accumulated small steps, then the better you will handle those bigger steps when they come. And yeah, so it's I find it to be real beneficial to have a positive attitude to continual improvement, continual development, self improvements for both improving generally in life and in business, and it makes it a much more enjoyable journey overall. So so yeah, just want to leave my thoughts on the matter there. Let me know in the comments what you all think, what your own experiences are with having this sort of perspective, or if you have any other opinions or viewpoints, be sure to let me know in the comments below as well. Other than that, be sure to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great week.